alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, girls. How are you? Hope you're doing good. Today I'm completing the energy lesson, part 3. We know energy means is the ability to work or to do something or to change or to move. And the most two popular types of energy is kinetic energy, which energy based on the motion. If you are moving, doing something, it's a kinetic energy. Second one is potential, which means the position or the condition of you makes a potential energy. And both together makes a mechanical energy. So now we know that mechanical energy needs kinetic and potential. Very good. Later, we talked about light energy and sound energy. Today, I'm going to give you 2 more types. Let's see. Electrical energy and a chemical energy. What do I mean by electrical energy? Definitely, if I'm using electricity, it is electrical energy. What if I'm using chemicals? So it is chemical energy. That's simple. Yes, this is simple. Electrical using electricity. Yes. And chemical energy using chemicals. Excellent. Now, examples. Can you give me an example? Something using electricity? Excellent. Lights. Lights works using electricity. What else? Vacuum machines. Vacuum machines using electricity. So, they are all electrical energy. What about chemical energy? Yes, you're right. From part 1, I told you the food you eat digests inside your body, breaks down into small pieces and turn to something else, turn to energy, gives you energy. The food you eat gives you energy. But how it turns to give you energy? Using chemicals. So chemicals can be food or can be what? Yes, cars. How cars moves. They use fuel to move. So fuel is a chemical. So fuel, whenever anything using fuel, so it's chemical energy. Batteries can be chemical energy. Yes, battery is a chemical. So whenever a car using batteries, so we call it chemical energy. Now, how about if we open our books to page 436 and 437, and let's do it together. Look at the picture over here. Zoom in, and yes. Now, take a look to this picture. Can you see energy or all around? Yes, definitely. Now, do you think you could do without energy for 1 day? Without chemical energy, you couldn't mow the lawn. Without electrical energy, you couldn't power your MP3 player. I don't think you have MP3 player these days. What about your iPads? If it's full without charge, what are you going to do? If it's dead, definitely you'll use electricity to charge it again, then use it. So, what I want from you, from this passage, draw a circle around a use of chemical chemical energy, then draw a box around a use of electrical energy. So, when you finish reading this, I want you to tell me the use of electrical energy and the use of chemical. So, you are going to circle around chemical and you are making a box around electrical. I'm gonna give you 1 minute for that. Excellent. So, electrical energy provides the energy for most of devices you use. So I'm going to draw a box over here, the last line, and then what about the chemical? I want to draw a circle around the chemical used. Have you ever warmed yourself by a campfire? So this is the use of the chemical energy. Now, look at this picture. Fill in the boxes, things in this scene that use chemical energy and those that use electrical energy. Write your answer in the space provided over here. What do you think of this plug? What do you think of this light? What do you think of this radio? What about cooking? What about this campfire? Okay, I'm gonna write letter E for electrical energy and the letter C for chemical energy. So, this car using what? This car using car fuels. So definitely it is a chemical energy. What about this light? This light uses electricity, so it is a what is it? Chemical or electrical? Yes, it's electrical. What about this one? How does it work? I can't see wires. Maybe we are adding gasoline or fuels. So if you are using gas or fuel, so it is chemical. Excellent. What about this one? This plug, how does this radio works? It's using electricity, so definitely it is electrical energy. Excellent. This one too uses what? Uses fuel or gas to work, so it is chemical. What about the campfire? Fire. Chemical changes. So definitely it's chemical energy. What about food? What do you think food is? Yes, definitely it's a chemical energy. Thank you. This is all for today. If you have any question, do not hesitate asking me. And remember what I told you about energy. Can you invent energy? Can you destroy energy? Answer me please in